Good morning, children. Welcome to the GK class. Today we are going to do lesson 20, bats and balls. So I think you must be very interested in playing different sports, and some may be liking tennis, table tennis, or some may be liking badminton, cricket. So today we will see what different kinds of balls are used with different kinds of bats. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to match. So I have put here some pictures of the sports so that you can identify them. See, first one is cricket bat. You can see players are playing cricket on the field. You must have seen in the TV also. And this kind of ball is used for cricket. Okay. So this is the bat and this is the ball. So you will match cricket bat with this ball which is given in D. Okay. Then this is tennis racket. Tennis racket, you can see this girl is playing tennis and this yellow ball she is using to play with this racket. So you can see this is tennis and this is yellow colored ball, and this is the tennis sport. Two people are playing tennis. Okay. Then this is baseball bat. Baseball is a game just like cricket, but in this different players are standing around the field and they run. One person bats, then he leaves the bat and then run, and then the other person who was standing on the second place runs forward. Like this they continue to run just like relay race. Okay, so this is baseball and this is the baseball bat and this is baseball ball. Okay, so this is the game they are playing, baseball. Now this one is table tennis racket. You can see this boy is playing TT or table tennis, and you can see the bat just like this one, and this is the small ball which is used in table tennis. You can see this white ball being played. Okay, so these are the four sports. Now we will cover the other one. Now this is the golf. You can see a ball standing on a small stand. So you can see here also there is a stand, and on that this small ball is kept. So this is golf ball and this is golf club. This is called club, not bat. So you can see this person with a golf club. He is going to hit the ball which is on a stand. Then this one is fifth one is hockey. You can see players playing hockey over here. In hockey also they do the goal just like football, and this is a hockey stick which everyone is holding, one hockey stick, and this is the hockey ball which is being used to play hockey. Okay, then this is badminton court. You can see this person is playing with racket and he has got shuttlecock in his hand. This is shuttlecock. You can see this shuttlecock and he's playing with the shuttlecock. This sport is called badminton. So this is the racket, bat, and this is the shuttlecock with which they play. So this was the first exercise. Now this is the first match as shown. So you have to do like this. As I've shown you here, you have to do like this in your books on page number 35. Okay, you have to match with the lines. One is done for you in the book, baseball bat and ball, and the others you will match like this as I have shown here in this picture. Okay, now we'll do the next exercise. Second exercise is which game's ball? Pick to show. Now there are three balls given and three names are given of the sports, and you have to match with which this ball matches. So there are three. Tennis, you know, small ball is there. Baseball also is just like cricket ball, and basketball is bigger. So this is a basketball. Okay. Then football, everybody knows. I hope most of you must be having also football. You can see the squares, like, sorry, hexagonals like this on a this football. Okay, hexagonal, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Six sides are called hexagonal, and this has got five sides. This is pentagon, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is a football in which this kind of figures are made. Then this is rugby. Rugby ball. Rugby ball is little elliptical or oval in shape, just like egg. Okay, this is rugby sport. Rugby sport also you can search on the Google and see what kind of sport is this. In this, ball is thrown from one person to other. Okay, so children, do this on page 35 in your GK book. See you in the next class. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.